Welcome students with a new subtopic, modes of vibration of air column. Earlier we saw the laws of vibrating string, but in this mode of vibration of air column, what exactly is this phenomenon? It is related to exactly the tube in which we are going to pass a frequency. Frequency can be passed using we say tuning fork. See the tuning fork and the tube before you. See the tube now, and inside that tube I'm going to pass this frequency by vibrating the tuning fork and passes inside the tube. Now there are two phenomena we are going to study. Modes of vibration of air column in that one when one end of the tube it is closed and when both the ends are open. And we are going to observe now fundamental, first mode, second mode, different kinds of frequency we need to pass inside the tube, and we are about to observe number of nodes and antinodes and loops which are produced inside the tube. What exactly is this phenomena actually? When I am going to consider this tuning fork. In this tuning fork, I am going to consider the two prongs which is hammer gently on the rubber pad so that frequency it will passes by putting or holding it horizontally above the tube. It is a hollow tube. When one end of the tube it is closed, incoming and outgoing waves they interfere with each other, forming one sort of stationary wave pattern. Obviously, stationary wave means see, we have the nodes and we have the antinode alternatively, they are arranged. But one thing we'll have to remember that always at the open end, antinode is formed, and always at the close end, node is formed. Okay? Very simple concept it is that we are going to see in the modes of vibration. See, first condition, when one end is closed, one end closed. When one end it is closed, the first mode that we are going to observe is a fundamental mode. Fundamental mode. In this fundamental mode, observe the diagram. In this diagram, we have only one antinode and we have the node. Means we know that distance between two successive antinodes is lambda by 2. Distance between two successive antinodes is lambda by 2. Distance between two nodes is lambda by 2. But distance between node and adjacent antinode is lambda by 4. Means the distance between node and antinode is lambda by 4. So lambda by 4 I need to consider everywhere because alternatively node and antinode they are forms inside the tube. When the fundamental mode, we'll have to remember the fundamental means the basic. Frequency which is given so that air column get vibrate and we are about to hear a loud sound. Okay, and here in this tube, see the antinode it is formed at the open end and node it is formed at the closed end, forming a one sort of vibration, and we are going to hear the maximum intensity. Okay, so antinode it is formed. So how many nodes and how many antinodes in that one? Sir, we have the antinode at the open end and we have the node at this end. Okay, so distance between these two is lambda divided by 4. Lambda by 4. So I'm going to consider the length of the air column in which I'm going to get this antinode and node. So distance between these two is lambda upon 4. What about the lambda? Lambda is equal to 4L. We know the basic equation, that is V is equal to N lambda. N is the fundamental basic frequency. V is the velocity of the sound. Lambda is the wavelength of wave which we are going to pass inside the tube, forming a stationary pattern. So going to be substitute the value of lambda. V is equal to N into 4L. So N is equal to V upon 4L. What about this? Already we know this is a fundamental frequency, basic frequency with which air column vibrate. Okay, this is the fundamental frequency. Okay, this is your fundamental frequency. Now in case of first mode, the second point, that is first mode of vibration. First mode. In this first mode of vibration, I need to consider once again the tube in which nodes and antinodes are formed. At the top, we have the open end, which is having the point that is antinode. It is formed at the open end, and then we have node, then we have antinode. Again, we have the node at the closed end. Means, so how many nodes and how many antinodes are formed? Two nodes and two antinodes are formed. Starting from the upper side, I'm going to take the sequence. That's first antinode, then we have the node, then we have the antinode, and then we have the node at the closed end. Starting from the top to bottom. So observe the diagram. In that one, the distance between these two is lambda by 4 always. So it is lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4. So corresponding to that one, the length is 3 lambda upon 4. So this is the first mode. That's why the suffix 1 it is given. V is equal to, basic equation we know, n1 lambda 1. Why n1 lambda 1? It is V is equal to n lambda actually, but for the first mode n1 lambda 1 corresponding to the first mode frequency. So V is equal to n1 into, here what about the lambda 1? Lambda 1 is equal to 4L upon 3. 4L upon 3. So it is 4L upon 3. So n1 is equal to 3 V upon 4L. We already got in fundamental mode. N is equal to V upon 4L. Okay. Now we need to substitute that. N1 is equal to 3 into N. That means integer multiple of fundamental frequency is known as harmonic. So this is your third harmonic. Third harmonic. And what about the overtone? Sir, after fundamental, it is a first higher frequency than that of fundamental frequency. That's why it is a first overtone. First overtone. Okay. This is for the first mode. So same phenomena we are going to observe for the second mode for the higher frequency. So we have the second mode. Observe the diagram. In the diagram, once again, how many antinodes and how many nodes are formed? At the open end, we have the antinode, and at the closed end, we have the node. So the third point, and we have the second mode of vibration of air column. Observe the diagram. At the top, we have the antinode, we have the node, antinode, node. Okay. So how many antinodes and nodes? Clearly observe from the top, we have the antinode, we have the node, we have the antinode, we have the node, we have the antinode, we have the node. Okay. So 3 nodes, 3 antinodes, 3 nodes, 3 antinodes. So corresponding lambda by 4, lambda by 4, lambda by 4, lambda by 4, lambda by 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lambda by 4. Corresponding length I am going to write that is 5 lambda upon 4. Suffix second. So lambda 2 is equal to, okay, 4L upon 5. So we know the basic equation V is equal to N lambda. For the second mode suffix lambda 2, substituting the value of lambda 2 in this equation, N2, 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 lambda 2, 4L upon 5. Okay, so this is V. So N2 is equal to 5V upon 4L. So we have this fifth harmonic. Integer multiple of fundamental frequency is known as harmonic. So this is a 5 multiplied by this because it is 5n. Okay, and next to that one, what about the next phenomena? That is, sir, it is a second higher frequency. That's why it is a second overtone. Now time to draw the conclusion. Conclusion, I'm going to write here. The conclusion is this one. Very simple conclusion. As we know, V is equal to, or first fundamental frequency N is equal to V upon 4L. So corresponding first frequency after fundamental, it is 3N. Now the second one, it is 5N. Observe this. Then later on, if we calculate further, we are going to get, without doing anything, I'm going to get the conclusion that 7N. Then we have the further 9N. See, all the values are odd. 3, 5, 7, 9. And what about this? So this is the third harmonic, fifth harmonic, seventh harmonic, ninth harmonic. Means in this, odd harmonics are present when one end is closed. Okay, one end it is closed. Okay. Now, when modes of vibration of air column, when both the ends are open, that time once again we are going to transfer the energy or wave with the help of that tuning fork by holding the tuning fork just above the tube and passes the frequency inside, so that incoming outgoing frequency they coincide with each other, forming a stationary pattern. Alternatively, nodes and antinodes are formed. So the same, when the condition, the second next condition, that is when both ends are open. When both ends open. Seems to be considering the tube which is having both ends open. In that one, what happened? In that one, the first mode that we are going to observe is a fundamental mode. In this fundamental mode, let us see the diagram. In this diagram, observe, we have the antinode at the top, at the open end. We have the node at the center. We have the antinode at the both the sides. Always we know the conclusion that always antinode it exists at the open end. Okay, node at the close end. There is a no close end, but still node is there, but it at the center. Okay, so how many nodes and how many antinodes are there? So starting from the first, from the top, antinode, node, antinode. Only one node, two antinode. So what about the distance between these two? Here it is lambda by 4 and here it is lambda by 4. So the length corresponding to that one is equal to lambda by 2, because lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4, lambda by 2. So lambda is equal to 2L. We know the basic equation, that is V is equal to N lambda. So I'm going to substitute N into 2L, substituting the value of lambda. V is equal to, okay, or N is equal to, directly I'm going to write V upon 2L. So this is the fundamental frequency, a basic frequency by which a resonating column vibrates. Fundamental frequency. Okay, fundamental frequency. What about the first mode? For that one, observe the diagram now. In case of first mode, when both ends are open. Both ends are open. Observe the diagram. In this diagram, that I need to consider the first mode. In this first mode, observe it from the top. Sir, at the open end we have the antinode, again node, then we have the antinode, then we have the node, and once again we have the antinode. Means how many nodes and how many antinodes are there? Sir, 2 nodes, 3 antinodes are there. So corresponding length, sir, lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4. Okay, so here I am going to write that. Sir, it is lambda. So corresponding L is equal to lambda, but for the first mode suffix I am going to write, that is lambda 1. So corresponding equation V is equal to N lambda, then suffix for the first mode that is n1 lambda 1. So going to substitute value now, n1 into L. n1 is equal to V upon L. But here I am going to multiply 2 and divide it by 2. So V upon 2L, V upon 2L is nothing but your fundamental frequency when both ends are open, V upon 2L. So N1 is equal to 2N. After getting this, we know that 2 multiplied by N, integer multiple of fundamental frequency is known as harmonic. So this is second harmonic. And what about the overtone? Sir, this is a higher frequency after fundamental. So this is the first overtone. Okay, this is about the first mode. Then we are going to observe the second mode. Clearly observe the diagram now for the second mode. In this second mode, the third point, second mode, when both ends are open. Observe the diagram. In that one, we have the first antinode from the top, then we have the node, then we have the antinode, then we have the node, then we have the antinode, then we have the node, then we have the antinode. So how many nodes and how many antinodes are there? 1, 2, 3 nodes and 4 antinodes. Observe it. So corresponding length, always the length between these two node and adjacent antinode is always lambda by 4. So corresponding to that one, we have the lambda by 4 plus 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 lambda by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lambda upon 4. That means 3 lambda upon 2. So corresponding length L is equal to 3 lambda upon 2. What about the second mode, sir? It is suffix having lambda 2. So V is equal to N lambda, suffix N2 lambda 2. V is equal to N2 into lambda 2. What about lambda 2? 2L upon 3. Okay? 2L upon 3. 2L upon 3. Observe it. 2 taken to this side, 3 divided to this side. 2L upon 3. So N2 is equal to 3 V upon 2L. Already we know N is equal to V upon 2L. Okay, so it is 3N. So sir, this is a integer multiple of fundamental frequency is known as harmonic. So this is a third harmonic and this is a third harmonic. What about the overtone, sir? This is a second higher frequency after fundamental. So second overtone. And then later on we have the conclusion. Now the concluding part. I'm going to write the conclusion. Conclusion is this one. Sir, we got already V or N is equal to V upon 2L. Then we have N1 is equal to twice the N. Then we have N2 is equal to thrice the N. Obviously, we draw the conclusion. Next is always a 4N continuously, 2, 3, 4. And we have this 5. And then we have this N5 is equal to 6N. Means here even, odd, even, odd, even. Means when both ends are open. Okay, both ends are open, then we are going to get even as well as odd harmonics. Means in this vibrating column, when both the ends are open, even as well as odd harmonics are present. Thank you very much.